To export data from Odoo, it's very simple. What you'll do is you'll go into a list of records, for instance, the records you want to export, like sales, and we could always group by our customer, and we could group by our order date by month, right? And we can see a list of everything through here. Maybe we want to pull these. Then you click this box, and it highlights the records you want to export. For example, maybe we want to just pull these. You go Action, Export, and it pulls open this wizard, which gives you a field, all the different fields you want to export associated with this record, right? So maybe you want to export the currency, or you want to export the customer. And if you click this button, it pulls all the back end fields related to the customer, like the bank account, the city the customer's in, the company, the parent company, the currency assigned to the customer, the email. So you can really drill down and export any bit of data that you want out of the database as it relates to both the fields on the sale order and all the underlying fields associated with any value attributed to a field on the sale order. So it allows you to pull information layers deep. What you'll do is you'll quickly select them. I'm just collecting a few custom emails, custom fields, right? And I can always click and remove a field if I don't like it, or remove all. So let's just say I want the email, and I want to know if it's a vendor or not, and I want the language, and right, there's a lot of fields. So, or I want the total of the amount on the order. And again, there you are. Let's say I love this particular export record and I want to export this every week. Instead of going through and selecting every one every week, I just save it as a list, a weekly export file. And there we are. And let's say I export that, a week goes by, I come in, and right, I go back to my orders here, and I want to export something. I just select the records I want to export, Action, Export, and I access my old file here, and I click Export to File. And it pushes that information out into a CSV or Excel record, which I can choose up here. And that'll be that. If you have any additional questions here, you want to know how this works, let me know. Lastly, I want to mention this applies to every record in the system, right? It could be on customer invoices. Same concept applies, right? I select the records I want to export, Action, Export. I'm left with my table. I can remove all, begin to build a new table here, as all these fields relate to the invoice now, right? The journal entry names, things like that. Save the field, weekly export for invoices. And it's now officially in every saved field, export to file, pushes the information out. Very simple, super convenient. Always keep in mind, right, you own your data. That is a big mantra at Odoo. We do not hold people hostage for their data. You will have access to your data at any time, whether you're a customer or not, and you'll be able to move your information out of the system freely whenever you'd like. If you have any questions about this, please let me know, and I'll be happy to drill in deeper. Thanks so much, and have a great day.